होशियार 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 डायरेक्टर ऑफ एजुकेशन होशियार 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 डायरेक्टर ऑफ एजुकेशन होशियार 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 छात्र एकता जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद
Director of Education in Kokrazar. So it's very unfortunate to tell that recently the Border Territorial Council has issued an appointment letter to the TET qualified teachers. But very unfortunately, we have seen that there is a lot of scam in this recruitment process. The qualified TET teachers, they have come and complained, and we have seen everything, the merit lists. Then we have found that those candidates who have been having highly qualified certificates, number, every documents, they have been rejected. But those qualified TET candidates, what we have seen is that those are getting lower marks or lower, criteria. These people has been given what we call merit list, and that's a problem of, it is very important to know that in Borderland Territorial Councils, in third grade and fourth grade, no outsiders, non-BTC people are not entitled to get admission or whatever appointment letters. But what we have found is that there are many candidates coming from non-BTC area and they are getting the what we call appointment letter, and it is very unfortunate. Now we are fighting for the justice. Today's main program here is that we are protesting. So we want to get justice because in Indian democracy, what we have is that the rights to voice, and what we call the appointment letters that has been given by the Director of Education BTC is not based on the advertisement that is given during the examination advertisement. So this TET exam is conducted by the SEBA, and SEBA has given the guidelines where every criteria these qualified TET teachers are verified themselves and applied for that exam, and they have already passed their what you call their consent subjects, and they have everything. They have having a good marks also, and everything. They have the certificate also, and every qualification they have. But unfortunately, these people are not selected, and those selected are very low grade. I mean, they are not even, some of them are not in the verification list also. So this is a lot of concern, and it is a very, as a student organization, Border National Students Union, have been helping the victimized, I mean the TET teachers who are not qualified, in spite of their having a good qualification marks. So we are fighting for the justice, and we know today it might be not for us, and not only for the TET teachers, but sometimes it might come to us also, to other brothers also. Not only in TET, in every jobs, in every angle that what we live in a society. So we have to get justice. We need laws because we are not fighting for the justice. This is what is happening in India, in Assam. So we are requesting the Chief Minister of Assam and the Chief of BTC so to take notice of that, and to give justice to these qualified learned guys of this BTC region, those qualified teachers. And we are also demanding that those recruitment, the what do you call those who are qualified, we are requesting the Director of Education to verify again, and to give justice to the selected persons who are not given what you call recruitment letters. And we are also asking to the Director of Education also to cancel out disqualified all the candidates also coming from non-BTC, because if there is no any eligible candidate, so Director of Education should give re-advertisement for that post. So there should not be any excuse, because we don't have what you call qualified candidates. That is why they are bringing from outside. That should not be the excuses, because in BTC area we have lots of learned and qualified teachers. Those are having qualified certificates, but they are not given. So that should be the justification. So we are demanding that those recruitment process that has been going, there's a lot of scam, and we are demanding the state government and the BTC government and the Director of Education to re-verify and give what you call the person, the qualified person, the person who is entitled to get to that certificate or to that appointment letter.